scientific name is Manidia manidia. I chose this fish because we would usually catch a lot of it while we were seining. And I thought it was very cool how it could only be out of water for more than 5 seconds, otherwise it would die. Its kingdom is Animalia, meaning it's an animal, not a plant. Its phylum is Chordata, meaning it has a spinal cord and is symmetric on both sides of its body. So far, it's mostly like humans. Its class is Actinopterygii, which means it has fins and flippers instead of arms and legs. And its genus is Manidia. Its habitat is near the edge, found in knee to waist deep water. That's where we found them while seining. They can be found from the St. Lawrence River to South Florida. The average temperature that silversides like are 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius, and its salinity levels are usually 0 to 37 parts per thousand. They usually swim in brackish waters, such as mouths of rivers and streams that connect to the ocean. In winter, they usually swim low to avoid the cold water. It eats pretty much smaller animals and plants, such as crustaceans, which are shrimp, crab, and lobster. It also eats algae, annelid worms, zooplankton, copepods, amphipods, squid, and insects. Pretty much anything smaller than it. Its predators are mostly larger fish, such as striped bass, bluefish, Atlantic mackerel, and many shorebirds, such as egrets, terns, cormorants, and gulls. It has a yellowish-whitish top and a silver bottom. And it is usually 4 to 6 inches long. It has a forked tail, a rocket shape, an upturned snout, and counter shading. And the counter shading helps it, with the yellow on top, it helps it blend in with the sand because it's usually low. And my bio poem. They call me Atlantic Silverside because I live in the Atlantic and my sides are silver, and I like to school. A fun day for me would be warm, sunny, shallow water, zooplankton, and seagrass. My home I need. Water is my relationship because I fear to leave it for more than 5 seconds. I'll die. My big eye makes predators think twice about eating me, or I school to hope that big fish eats that guy over there. I am very sensitive to salinity, water temp, and pollution, which is why scientists use me to test if the water is healthy. My last name is Manidia manidia. These scientists have no imagination naming me the same name twice.
Thank you. Maureen, so, because everybody gets questions, scientists use it to determine if the water is healthy. And based on the number of silversides we found, would you say our water is healthy?
Yeah, we found like a couple hundred.
Yeah. They're everywhere.
Yeah.
I really want to know what your fish is saying in the little...
Yeah. It says just hi.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of hard to see.